Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Apple Pay at a store. So, how to pay using Apple Pay in stores and other places with your iPhone or Apple Watch. You can use Apple Pay in stores, restaurant, gas stations, taxis, or wherever you see the contactless payment symbols without physical card. So hold the top of your iPhone near the contactless reader until done and a check mark appear on the display. So pay with your Apple Watch. Hold the display of your Apple Watch near the contactless reader until you feel a gentle tap and hear a beep to done this transaction. So when your payment is successful, you'll see done and check mark on the screen. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.